Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use the CSS max width property. This powerful tool defines the largest size an element can occupy, ensuring your content never stretches too wide. It's fundamental for building adaptable web designs that look great everywhere. We'll cover its core function and why it's a cornerstone of modern web development. Max width is a cornerstone of responsive design, allowing your elements to gracefully adapt to different screen sizes. Instead of a fixed width causing overflow, max width lets elements shrink when the viewport is smaller. This prevents frustrating horizontal scroll bars and ensures your content remains perfectly visible and accessible, from large desktop monitors to small mobile phones. When applying max width, you have several options for values. You can use absolute units like max width, 800 pixels to set a clear upper limit. Alternatively, percentages, such as max width, 75%, allow elements to scale relative to their parent container. Often, combining max width with width, auto provides the most flexible and responsive behavior for your design. The benefits of using max width are significant. It greatly improves readability by preventing text lines from becoming excessively long on wide screens. This property also enhances the overall user experience, ensuring your design looks polished and functions well on any device. Remember, max width will always take precedence over a width property if the width value exceeds the maximum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.